Hello again, it's Jason Carlson, and I have another challenge lock in the vise today in my string of trying to get as many locks picked in as many days. Today we have one in by Texas Jim. It is on a quick set keyway, and key works great clockwise, counterclockwise. It doesn't want to move, so let's see what's going on inside this here lock, and then do some evaluations. It's one of those nice, light, easy picking events, lots of serrations. And you just work your way up and back the pin stack, moving one click at a time. Fairly light tension. And it's open. So basically it's just clicking up, clicking back, clicking up, clicking back. It's open. And let's get this out of the way and widen it up a little bit. Move it down. There we go. And pinning tray, follower, tweezers, clip remover. So, yep, clearly open. I don't want to turn it all the way around because I don't know what's in it. We have a key, so I'm going to lock it up and then get clip remover. Nice, easy removal from that particular clip. And definitely going to use a shim because I have no idea what's going on inside this lock. Shim goes in. And the core comes out. And we have all 5 populated. This lock has been around. It's kind of torn up a little bit, but there's mighty fine work on that one. Very cool. So let's get them out on the tray. 1 serrated, 2 serrated large serrations, 3, 2 more large serrations, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 serrations, and 5, 1 serration, kind of like a bomb pin. And let's get these flipped around. Pokey. Inside the core, 1 threaded, 2 threaded, 3 threaded, 4 threaded, and 5 threaded. And yeah, this particular material, aluminum or zinc or whatever it is, just doesn't hang on to the threads very well. So it's been well worked. And let's get into the top. This will be a lock that I'm going to send to Cherokee Lock Picking. She's requested it. We have very nice looking double spool, looks like an NASA pin, a small one, and a tiny spring. Number 2 is another serrated, almost spoolish connection, and another smaller copper spring. And number 3, spool plus serrations, and an even smaller spring. serrated. I can see it, but it doesn't want to let go. There it goes. Triple serration. And another tiny little spring. Let's go out through the back. And we've got another serrated event on spring. A fairly small spring, but not as small as the others. That out. Looking inside the Bible, we have threading up and down 1 through 5. He's threaded the entire lock. So, let's get a close up on this. Let me clear some of my hardware out of the way. Come on, a little closer. There we go. A little more. It's going to be one of those kinds of mornings. Okay. Well, it's mostly in shot, so, well, yeah. All right. We'll get it done. All right, in number 1, we have these 2 really nice serrations. 2, one broader serration and a smaller one down below. 2 nice serrations in 3. Looks like 3, almost 4 serrations in number 4 and 1 large one in number 5 for all the key pins. In the driver pins, we've got multiple serrations. This looks like an ASA pin. Behaves like one inside that threaded. This looks like a mushroom with a threaded part, not threaded, but serrated part on top. Another really cool looking mushroom pin. 3 serrations on number 4 and 2 serrations on number 5. In the springs, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5. All of them are copper, and looks like 3 and 4 are very small, and the others are these small little phosphor copper. In the core, we've got threading in all 5 chambers, and in the Bible, it is threaded in all 5 chambers as well. That is a lock by Texas Jim. It's great fun to pick. Good times this morning. I'll continue to pick on to the next lock, see how many I can get done in as many days. So everyone, remember to keep it real, keep it legal, and go through the lock.